Understanding Clarinet Cleaning, an essential guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, clarinet cleaning. This phrase might sound simple, but it's a great example of how English often combines words to describe actions and objects. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will clear up any confusion and enhance your understanding. Clarinet cleaning is a compound noun phrase. It consists of two words, clarinet, which is a musical instrument, and cleaning, which is the action of making something free of dirt, marks, or mess. When combined, they describe the action of cleaning a clarinet. It's important to understand that in English, combining nouns with gerunds, verbs ending in ing that function as nouns, is a common way to describe specific actions or processes. The phrase, clarinet cleaning, can be used in different contexts. For instance, it could refer to a routine part of a musician's practice, a service offered by a music store, or even a class or tutorial on how to clean a clarinet. Understanding the context in which the phrase is used is key to grasping its exact meaning in conversation or writing. Let's look at how clarinet cleaning might appear in everyday English. In instructions, please follow these steps for clarinet cleaning. In conversation, I'm taking my clarinet for cleaning tomorrow. In advertising, our store offers professional clarinet cleaning services. These examples show how the phrase can change slightly depending on the situation, but the fundamental meaning remains the same. Clarinet cleaning is more than just a phrase about a musical instrument. It's a glimpse into the structure and flexibility of the English language. We hope this video has made the phrase clear and that you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content.